Sarura Kids.
Hello and welcome to Zimbabwe Fun Quiz. This quiz consists of 12 questions. You will have 10 seconds in which to guess your answer per question. Let's go. Question number 1. Which of these flags is the Zimbabwean flag? The correct answer is the second flag. The first flag is the Senegalese flag. And the third flag is the Egyptian flag. Name this language. Its dialects are spoken by about 7.5 million people. Besides Ndebele and English, it is one of the most widely spoken languages in Zimbabwe. This language belongs to the Niger-Congo group of languages. What language is this? Is it A, Venda, B, Shona, or C, Yoruba? If you said B, Shona, you would be correct. True or false? This is the golden rhinoceros of Mapungubwe. It was recovered from a royal hill at Mapungubwe Hill in 1934. Many precious artifacts and figurines were unearthed from 3 elite burial hills at this site. Mapungubwe is in northern South Africa and close to the border of Zimbabwe. Mapungubwe is believed to have emerged as the capital of the kingdom from 1220 to 1290, largely because of its control of the gold trade with the coastal settlement of Kilwa Kisiwani. That statement is true. The pangolin is considered sacred in Zimbabwe. Which of these animals is the pangolin? If you guessed C, then you would be correct. The pangolin is image C. On to Shona language vocabulary. What is the plural of Munu? Is it A, Minu, B, Vanu, or C, Zhinu? If you said B, Vanu, then you would be correct. The plural of Munu is Vanu. What is considered to be the cultural capital of Zimbabwe? If you guessed Mutare, then you would be correct. Mutare is the cultural capital of Zimbabwe. What is the national animal of Zimbabwe? Is it the llama, the cat, or is it the sable antelope? If you guessed the sable antelope, then you would be correct. When was Kwayedza newspaper founded? Is it A, 1891, B, 1986, or C, 2020? The correct answer is B, 1986. Although Zim papers can trace its origins to 1891, when William Fairbridge established the Mashonaland Herald and Zimbabwean Times, this was not when Kwayedza newspaper was founded. Zimbabwe Newspapers Limited, operating as Zim Papers, is currently the largest newspaper publisher in Zimbabwe. It was renamed in 1980 after Zimbabwe gained its independence. One of the newspapers that Zim Papers owns is Kwayedza, a Shona language newspaper. Kwayedza was founded in 1986. It is sometimes described as a river dragon with the body of a snake and the head of a fish. It is the ancestral spirit or mudzimu of the Tonga and Lozi people. What is its name? The correct answer is Nyami Nyami. Name the song where these lyrics come from. Kana iriyo raramiro yacho, marwadzo mupfungwa nepamweya, handingagaroridza tsamwa, ndosuwa zororo remoyo. Is the song A, Kundirai, B, Kundai, or C, Kundiso? The correct answer is C, Kundiso. Kundiso is a 1996 song by Leonard Karikoga Jakata. Who am I? My first name is Charmaine. My middle name is Shamiso. I was born in Mutare in Zimbabwe. My career began in Zimbabwe in 2014, while I was still living in Mutare. I was once a member of the choir. I was raised by my grandmother. I was named Best New International Act in 2020 at the BET Awards. My professional name means champion in Shona. If you guessed Shasha, then you would be correct. In which province do you find the Chinoi Caves? Is it A, Mashonaland West, B, Manicaland, or C, Matabeleland South? The correct answer is A, Mashonaland West. The ancient Chinoi Caves are found in Mashonaland West Province in north-central Zimbabwe. They are approximately 120 kilometers from Harare, and they feature some stunning blue pools. One such pool, the Sleeping Pool, stays at a constant 22 degrees Celsius every single day. This defies meteorological logic. Locals believe these caves to be sacred. And that concludes our Zimbabwe Fun Quiz. How many questions did you get right? Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this quiz. Subscribe to our channel and check back for more fun Zimbabwe facts quizzes. Have a great day!